Okay. Good afternoon. How are you?
Good afternoon. I am doing great. And you?
I'm also doing great. May I have few questions about last state fair, please?
Sure.
Okay. Did you go to the last state fair?
Yes, I went to the last trade fair.
At what time did you go to the last state fair?
Actually, I was supposed to go at noon, but there was very sunshine, so that's why we started to go to the trade fair at morning.
Well, how did you go there?
I was supposed to go there by aeroplane, but for the short of money, I had to go there by bus.
Well, with whom did you go there?
I was supposed to go there with my friends, but I had to go there with my parents.
Well, do you know who inaugurated the fair?
No, actually, I don't know, but I think the Prime Minister of Bangladesh inaugurated the last trade fair.
Well, did you buy anything from the fair?
I wanted to buy, but I couldn't buy anything from the fair.
Well, did you buy anything for your parents?
Yes, I bought some necessary things to my parents.
Okay. Okay. Did you buy any books from the fair?
Yes, I bought some logical books from the fair.
Okay. How many stalls did you visit?
Actually, I tried to visit all the stalls from the fair, but I visited few stalls.
Well, how long did you stay there?
I stayed there for about 10 hours.
Well, why did you return from the fair?
I returned from the fair at noon.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.